How to invest in S&P 500 Index Fund UK Full Guide. Investing in the S&P 500 Index Fund is a popular choice for those looking to diversify their portfolio and tap into the U.S. stock market. The S&P 500 Index Fund tracks the performance of the top 500 publicly traded companies in the U.S., providing broad exposure to the market. To get started, you will need to open a brokerage account with a UK-based broker that offers access to US markets. Once you have opened your account, you can search for S&P 500 index funds, which are often referred to as tracker funds. Look for funds with low fees, as these can eat into your returns over time. Some popular options include Vanguard S&P 500 ETF and BlackRock S&P 500 Index Fund. When selecting a fund, consider the tracking error, which measures how closely the fund follows the underlying index. A lower tracking error indicates better performance. You should also consider the total expense ratio, which is the annual fee charged by the fund manager. To invest in an S&P 500 index fund, simply log into your brokerage account, select the fund you wish to invest in, and choose the amount you want to invest. You can invest a lump sum or set up a regular investment. Plan to drip feed your money into the market. It is essential to have a long-term perspective when investing in the stock market, as it can be volatile in the short term. Aim to hold your investment for at least 5 years to ride out any market fluctuations. Finally, consider tax implications when investing in a S&P 500 index fund. If you are a UK resident, you may be subject to tax on your investment gains. Consider using an ISA or SIPP to shelter your investments from tax. By following these steps and doing your research, you can invest in an S&P 500 index fund and potentially benefit from the long-term growth of the U.S. stock market.